Have you ever wondered what kind of incredible abilities exist in the animal kingdom that we, as humans, could only dream of? In this video, we're diving into the top 10 animals with superpowers you won't believe exist, creatures with real-life abilities that rival any superhero. Whether you're fascinated by nature's wonders or curious about how these amazing creatures can inspire advancements in science, this video is packed with jaw-dropping facts that will leave you amazed. Stay tuned to discover animals that can regenerate, survive in space, and even walk on water. If you're ready to be blown away, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with friends who love mind-blowing nature facts. Axolotl, the master of regeneration. The axolotl, also known as the water monster, has one of the most amazing superpowers in nature. It can regenerate body parts, including limbs, tails, hearts, and even parts of its brain. Imagine losing a limb and simply watching it grow back like magic. For the axolotl, this is an everyday occurrence. What's even more impressive is that it can regenerate these organs multiple times throughout its life without losing any of the original function. Scientists have been studying this phenomenon for years, hoping to understand how to apply this regenerative mechanism in human medicine, especially for treating nervous system injuries and diseases. The axolotl can regenerate without leaving scars, making it even more remarkable. Its unique appearance, with its feather-like gills on the sides of its head, also makes it one of the most distinctive animals in the natural world. Mimic octopus, the chameleon of the seas. The mimic octopus is a master of transformation. Beyond changing colors like many other octopuses, it takes things to the next level. It can imitate the form and behavior of up to 15 different marine creatures, including sea snakes, lionfish, jellyfish, and even sea urchins. This ability is primarily used to protect itself from predators, but can also be used to trick its prey. The mimic octopus adapts its body shape, texture, and even its movements to resemble these other species, becoming almost invisible to its enemies. What's even more impressive is that it doesn't need to see these animals to imitate them. The octopus learns by experience, and the transformation can happen almost instantly. The mimic octopus's ability to adapt makes it one of the most intelligent and resourceful predators in the oceans. Tardigrade, the indestructible. Known as the water bear, the tardigrade is one of the most resilient creatures on Earth. Measuring just half a millimeter long, this microscopic being can survive extreme conditions that would kill any other living thing. It can endure the vacuum of space, temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit 150 degrees Celsius, lethal radiation, and even freezing. The secret to the tardigrade's survival lies in its ability to enter a state of cryptobiosis, a form of suspended animation in which nearly all of its biological processes are halted. In this state, it can remain inactive for decades, coming back to life when conditions are favorable again. Studies have shown that tardigrades can even repair their DNA after being exposed to radiation. It's as if they are real-life microscopic superheroes, unbeatable and nearly immortal. Archerfish, the precise shooter. The archerfish may not look extraordinary at first glance, but it has an amazing superpower. It can shoot precise jets of water to knock insects off branches or leaves above the water. This unique ability allows the archerfish to capture prey that other fish could never reach. What's even more impressive is that the archerfish calculates the exact angle and force of the water jet to ensure that the prey falls directly into the water, where it can then be devoured. This requires almost mathematical precision, considering it also needs to compensate for the refraction of light on the water's surface. The archerfish can hit prey from up to 6 feet away, and it does so with the accuracy of a professional archer. Fire salamander, immunity to toxins. The fire salamander has a dual superpower. Not only is it immune to toxins, but it also secretes a powerful venom through its skin to defend itself from predators. When threatened, it releases a highly toxic substance that can paralyze or even kill small attackers. This venom is so effective that even larger predators, such as snakes and birds, avoid attacking the fire salamander. Its skin serves as its first line of defense, but it also has incredible resistance to other poisons, allowing it to survive in hostile environments where other animals would perish. The legend that salamanders could walk out of flames comes from their tendency to hide in logs, which, when thrown into fires, would cause them to run out unharmed. Bombardier beetle, nature's chemical weapon. The bombardier beetle possesses one of the most fascinating defense systems in the animal kingdom. When threatened, it releases a boiling hot chemical jet from its abdomen. This liquid can reach almost 210 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius and is expelled at high speed, creating a small chemical explosion that instantly drives predators away. What's even more impressive is that the beetle can fire this jet multiple times in quick succession without depleting its chemical reserves. The chemical reaction that occurs inside its body happens in less than a second, and the beetle can aim the jet with precision, hitting its target effectively. This chemical ability makes the bombardier beetle one of the most formidable animals in terms of natural defense. Mantis shrimp, the strongest punch in nature. If you think superpowers are limited to resistance or chemical abilities, the mantis shrimp will change your mind. It has the strongest punch in the animal kingdom. Its claws strike with such speed that the water around them literally boils, creating small vapor bubbles known as cavitation. These punches are so powerful that they can break crab shells, rocks, and even aquarium glass. The impact is so violent that it generates flashes of light and shock waves, like a miniature explosion. The mantis shrimp uses this incredible strength to crush its prey with a strike that reaches speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. It's like having the most lethal boxer in the ocean. Jesus lizard, the lizard that walks on water. The Jesus lizard, or basilisk lizard, has a unique and biblical ability. It can literally run on water. Its hind feet are adapted with small scales that increase surface area, allowing it to move fast enough to avoid sinking. This is crucial for escaping predators like snakes and birds of prey. The lizard can run on water for short distances, giving the appearance that it's walking on it. When the water becomes too deep or it tires, the lizard dives in and swims away to safety. This superpower of speed makes it one of the most agile and fascinating animals in nature. Peregrine falcon, the speed demon of the skies. The peregrine falcon possesses one of the most astonishing superpowers in the animal kingdom. It is the fastest animal on the planet, capable of reaching speeds of up to 240 miles per hour, 390 kilometers per hour, in a dive to catch its prey. When it spots its target, it launches from the sky in a breathtaking, high-speed dive, using its incredibly sharp vision to make precise adjustments as it closes in. Its eyes are far more acute than a human's, allowing it to spot prey from great distances. With this combination of speed and precision, the peregrine falcon is an unmatched aerial predator. Sunburst moth, ultraviolet vision. While humans see the world with a limited range of colors, the sunburst moth sees beyond the visible spectrum. It has ultraviolet vision, which means it can detect patterns on flowers that are invisible to other animals. These patterns act like secret maps guiding the moth to hidden nectar. This ability gives the moth a huge competitive advantage when searching for food. Its vibrant wings and ability to perceive the world in a completely different way make it one of the most intriguing and aesthetically beautiful creatures in the animal kingdom. These are the 10 animals with superpowers that seem like they're straight out of science fiction but are completely real. Each one is proof of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the ingenious solutions that evolution has created. Which of these superpowers did you find the most amazing? Leave your comment below. And if you want to learn more about fantastic animal abilities, check out our video on the top 9 strongest primates, incredible power in the wild. See you in the next video.